Alex wasn't looking for another job. He was looking for something that lasted. After years of chasing one-time commissions, he wanted work where relationships mattered and effort didn't disappear at the end of the month. That's when he heard about TechMax. 22 years of experience. They had already helped thousands of small businesses grow, and now they were looking for partners to grow with them. Alex started with the Incubator Program. 3 conversations, 3 small businesses helped. And just like that, a $2,000 signing bonus landed in his account. No complicated structure, no endless cold calls, just real connections turning into real income. But what surprised him most wasn't the bonus, it was what came next. Through the monthly Residuals program, Alex didn't just earn once. Every business he'd helped continued to grow, and every month so did his income.
Food delivery, e-commerce, POS systems, services businesses needed, and revenue he could count on.
With the vesting program, Alex realized he wasn't just earning commissions anymore. He was building an asset. As long as he maintained his account, profits kept coming, steady, predictable, and sustainable. For the first time, Alex felt like a true partner, not just a salesperson. TechMax didn't ask him to sell harder. They asked him to connect, help, and grow together.
Now, TechMax is looking for the next Alex. Is that you?